Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my new Maven beauty box. It's a new beauty line from Fashion Nova, and so I wanted to order it and show you guys how their makeup is and what kind of products come in the box. And no, I am not sponsored by Fashion Nova whatsoever. I just wanted to make this video for you guys so you guys can tell the pigmentations, and it's just kind of like a swatch review, I guess. I wanted to try it out. So let's go ahead and unbox my new Maven Beauty makeup box. So this here is the Maven Beauty box itself. It's all orange with white writing, and let's open it up. I can't wait. I'm super excited. This is what I do all the time when I get a new package. I can't wait to open it. I literally go insane. So basically this is how, wow. This is all black and white. Wow, this is super, like, the interior is really creative. It's like hypnotizing almost. Very pretty. I really like it. What you get inside is a pamphlet of what you got. Here, let me show you guys. If you got lipstick, it will tell you a little bit about the lipstick. If you got other products, it will basically tell you what the products are and a little description of the product. This is a box. And let's get started. There's like almost, I think, 6 or 7 items in here. Very interesting items, very nice packaging. I love it. It also comes with the little, these things. I love those. Those are really fun. So let's go ahead and look at the first item. It's an eyeliner. This is the eyeliner, and I'm basically going to open it up right now and let's see what it looks like. Here is the eyeliner, and it's really cute. You have to twist it. You have to break this part. There's like a black thing on it, so I broke it and twist it until you see the ink on the tip, and I'm gonna give it a swatch. It is pretty light right now, only maybe because I didn't twist it hard enough, or I didn't twist it enough, but I like it. It looks pretty cute. It's nice. It looks natural. It looks like something I could wear every day. For the next product, there's lipstick. It's called Maven Red Velvet. Let's open this one up as well. I'm gonna give you a couple swatches too. So this is the lipstick. It's very compact. I like how it's super simple. The packaging is super simple. And let's give it a little swatch. This is how it looks. It's very clean, very nice and pretty, very nice and simple. I'm going to give it a swatch right over here. Wow. That's really pigmented. I would say it's really pigmented. And I think the pigmentation of this lipstick is very breathable. As I'm feeling it, it feels very breathable. It doesn't feel like you will have a lot of lipstick on, even though it's red lipstick. So then the next thing that came in this box is another lipstick. So the lipstick is called Snatch Velvet. And it comes in this really nice packaging as well. It's similar to the other lipstick. So this is the other one. This is the one that I'm opening right now. Packaging is the same compact little convenient packaging with the orange and white. The label of the name of the color is on the bottom. This is the lipstick. So this is how much it comes in. It's just the regular standard size. So let's do another swatch of this. This is the swatch. The pigmentation seems similar to the other one. It's very wearable, very breathable. I like it. I like it. It's very nice. Next product that we have here is this. I like the packaging. Very floral, very girly, very pretty. It's all draped up. This here is actually a highlighter. Let's open it up. It's a very compact size. Again, with the orange and white. That's like their signature. It's called Draped Up. It comes with a mirror, so I really like that. It comes with a mirror. So that's really pretty, but here is the product. Let's do a swatch of this as well. So here I'm just taking it. Very pigmented. Wow. I really like this pigmentation. It's very beautiful. Our next product that we have here is a eyeshadow palette. I really like the design of this. It's very pretty. Here's the back. So this one is called Bold Blend. Let's open this up. This is the eyeshadow palette Bold Blend. Very usable colors. They don't look like too much or too little. Now let's swatch them. I'm going to swatch these two first. And the back of my hand. Wow, very pigmented, very pretty. Now for the bottom two. I'm going to use my other hand. Wow. Can you guys see the pigmentation? For the next product that we have, it's another eyeshadow palette. This is another eyeshadow palette. It's called Spotlight. Ooh, okay. Spotlight. Come on, Spotlight. Here you go. Here is Spotlight. It looks very shimmery. The eyeshadows look very shimmery and something I would wear to like more of an event. But regardless of that, I don't really care if it's an event or not. I will just wear it. Swatching these first two. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these first two in the back of my hand. Whoa, okay. It's very, very, very pigmented. It's very beautiful. Look at it. Definitely using these. I'm swatching the next two on the bottom. On the back of this hand. Okay, these are very pretty. Very, very nice. I like that. So there you go, guys. These are all the products that they've sent me for this Maven box. And overall, I'm going to have to say that I'm going to buy more of this because it's very pigmented. I love the formula. Whoever created the formula is like A1. I love the formula. So guys, I'm going to buy more of that. And there's going to be more reviews on the Maven beauty boxes. So stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos. If you ended up liking this video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Until my next video, you guys, see you guys later. Take care. Goodbye.